Vision, a research university advancing technology and innovation for sustainable development. Mission, we drive sustainable development through quality instruction, innovative research, community collaboration, and technological advancement. Goals, instruction, to develop competitive, resilient, and transformative academic community. Research, to produce high-impact research and development for the advancement of knowledge and instructional innovation, institutional development, and policy formulation and commercialization. Extension, to improve the lives of rural and urban poor through transfer of technology and knowledge. Production, to develop and resource generation to sustain university operations. Governance, to deliver transparent, responsive, and excellent governance for client satisfaction.